Komið sæl og blessuð. Allt helsta listafólk Djúpavogs ætlar að koma saman þegar að COVID hefur unnið sitt skeið. Tónleikarnir verða haldin á Hótel Framtíð á Djúpavogi og einnig hægt að kaupa áskrift á streymi. Það verður auglýst síðar. Nú, meðal listamanna sem koma fram eru Diddi, Stebbi Kjartans, Hjörtur Ásgeirsson, Ingibjörg Stefánsdóttir, Guðný Björg, Júlía, Gulli Rafvirki, Hringur Arason og þeir allra stærstu. Ekki missa þessu.
तौबा तेरा जलवा तौबा तेरा प्यार
And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath.
I want to take me to funky town. Want to take me to
तौबा तेरा जलवा तौबा तेरा प्यार तेरा
Don't worry about it.
Despacito quiero respirar tu cuello de
First I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live.
I feel good. I knew that I would not.
Yo, pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are thumping. And the jam is
I was gonna clean my room until I got high. I was gonna get up and find the broom, but then I got high.
I knew you were trouble when you walked in. So shame on I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Nothing's lasting. Prepara que agora é a hora do show das poderosas.
I've been thinking about this all day long.
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. My ding-ding-dong.